All right, everybody. So today's video, I just want to talk about a really quick deal that I did. And the subject is how I bought a small multifamily property for only $600 out of my pocket. This is a pretty creative deal that we did. The house was on market on the MLS, and we were competing against multiple bidders at the time. And it was a 10 unit, small multifamily compared to, the larger apartment complexes. And it was asking price was around 500,000. And what we did is we got a commercial loan that paid for 75 or 80% of the cost. It was 80%. It was 80% of the cost of the house. Then we discussed with the seller if they would hold a second position lien for our down payment for the commercial loan. So essentially, the seller is loaning us 100,000 for the down payment, and we're going to pay them back in monthly interest over a certain amount of years. They said yes, but we didn't know they would say yes until they accepted our offer. That we'd pay the $100,000 back with 1% interest. We did 20 years, 30 years, and ultimately the sellers chose a 15-year for 4% interest. And it worked out for us. We actually got approved with the financing on both sides. We beat out the multiple offers that were received on this house because the sellers liked the creative idea. They actually told us at the closing table, you're going to be putting our kids through college with the interest that we're going to be making on these payments over the next 15 years. So that is how we got into this property. And where the $600 comes in is that was just the cost of the inspection for the unit. We came out of pocket for the $600, and the seller paid for our closing costs at closing. There are a lot of creative ways for you to get into small multifamily, and you can take this exact same strategy and apply it to large multifamily as well. We're doing it right now for our triplex. Exact same strategy. If you enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram at Brandon Thomas Official. See you guys next video.